Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here. Hope you all are doing great. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Today we are going to be reviewing a great ROM, and this is not a GSI, it's a ROM which is developed by the developer KP, and it's his birthday today. So if you are enjoying this ROM and the previous build by him, don't forget to wish him a birthday. So now let's move forward. It's based on OnePlus 7 Pro's Oxygen OS Beta 18. So it will be having all the goodies from that particular ROM, or say that particular devices. Major of the goodies has been included into it. So let's go and find what all things has been added. So as you can see, the contacts app, it is updated to Android 11 version. Yes, many of the apps have been updated to Android 11 version in this particular ROM. That's a great thing. Now as you can see, this history also, call history is also great, and you can see. So I have not inserted the SIM, but you can see the call dialer options. So it's looking good. Moving forward, you can also see the messaging apps here. So messaging app has also been updated. Very few apps have been added into it. You can also use the Gcam if you want to. So let's test all the apps one by one. You have the calculator, and so you can see the calculator. The alarm clock and the clock app has also been changed and it is modified. Now this Oxygen OS 11 most probably looks like One UI, so it's a cheap adaptation of that One UI, but yeah, it's working good. Then you also have the gallery app, which is also working great. If you want to see, game settings have also been included. Now you can add the games from here itself, and game optimization is also working good. This is good for the gamers. Magisk have to be installed after this. The correct step of installing the Magisk is flash the ROM, boot once, and then reboot to the recovery and flash the Magisk. Don't flash Magisk exactly after flashing the ROM, otherwise it will cause an boot loop. Messaging has been seen. We also have the Notes app, which is also adapted to the newest version, so you can see here. Then we have the Play Store and usual thing that is working great. No issues with it. I have not signed into this particular after reset. So yeah, we have the settings, whereas major are working. So if you want to see the Wi-Fi network, we have all the options that have been included into the OnePlus 7 Pro's Wi-Fi network options. Display also have an adaptive brightness, which is working good. And we also have the screen refresh rate, which can't be changed. It's just a gimmick. So if you want to, you can set it to the 90 Hz, but in actual it would be only 60 Hz. Then we have vibrant color effect, which actually works. And we also have screen calibration, which also works. Okay, I'll just tell you one thing, that when you first boot up the ROM, it would be on the vivid mode, which would be very washed out. So I'll suggest you to change it to the natural or advanced mode as per your likings, but don't keep the vivid mode, and it will look very washed out. So go ahead and change the things as per your likings here. Ambient display is there, but it always work for the lift display, nothing much. You can't have the always on display right now. Font size can also be changed. And then we have status bar, which is also changeable. We can also change the things here. Moreover, the customization, which all themes have been given for the OnePlus 7 Pro, everything works here. No issues whatsoever with these options. You can also select button and gestures if you want to. Everything else is as same as the other ROMs, but the special things that has been included into this is, you can see the volume slider is on the right side. That is a great thing. You also have a McLaren boot animation and OnePlus splash screen logo. So that's a great addition to this particular ROM. It will make more customizable. And as you can see, the fonts and all are also copied directly from the OnePlus 7 Pro's dump. So yeah, that's it for this particular ROM. I hope you will enjoy this ROM. And if you have any questions, then you can join our Telegram group, where we'll be discussing about this particular ROM. Thanks guys, take care, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.